So today, we're taking a look at a tiny home that seriously challenges what most people think tiny living is all about. This is the Avalon 32, and it's one of those designs that proves you don't have to give up comfort just because you're downsizing. Tiny living usually means cutting back on space, which can save money and even give you some mobility. But let's be honest, it often comes with trade-offs. What makes the Avalon 32 interesting is how it balances those trade-offs, giving you the benefits of a smaller home without making it feel cramped or limiting. This model is an expanded version of an earlier design, stretched out to 32 feet and made a bit wider. Because of that, it leans more toward being a park-style tiny home rather than something you move around all the time. It's still mobile if needed, just not something you tow every weekend. That extra space really changes everything. Inside, you're getting 3 separate sleeping areas, which is pretty rare for a tiny home. There are 2 lofts, one large enough for a queen mattress and another that works great for kids or storage. They don't have full standing height, but they do include built-in storage and partial walls that give a bit of privacy. What really stands out, though, is the ground floor bedroom. That's something a lot of people wish tiny homes had, and here it's done really well. It's tucked behind a barn door and includes a double bed, storage underneath, a wardrobe, and even a fold-down TV mount. It feels much more like a traditional bedroom than what you'd expect in a tiny space. The kitchen is another highlight. Instead of a narrow galley setup, you get a full kitchen with plenty of counter space and storage. The finishes are clean and modern, with shaker-style cabinets, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, and a decent-sized fridge that can even be upgraded. Because of the high ceilings and large windows, the whole space feels open and bright. It doesn't have that closed-in feeling that some tiny homes struggle with. The living area continues that vibe, with a comfortable couch that includes hidden storage and a mounted TV for relaxing. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious too. A clever bump-out design gives you more room, allowing for a full shower, a standard toilet, and a vanity. There's even space for a washer-dryer setup, which is a big win for everyday living. And unlike many tiny homes that strip things down to the basics, this one keeps a lot of modern comforts. You've got proper insulation, heating and cooling with a mini split system, durable exterior materials, and large dual-pane windows. It's built to feel like a real home, not just a compact alternative. In terms of price, it comes in lower than many tiny homes of this size, which makes it even more appealing. But even if you're not planning to buy one, it's a great example of how far tiny home design has come. The Avalon 32 shows that downsizing doesn't have to mean sacrificing the things you love. It's a smart blend of space, comfort, and practicality. And honestly, it might just change how you think about tiny living altogether.